In the last year alone, 678 children between the ages of 0 and 4 experienced serious or fatal injuries at Texas licensed daycares. As a parent, hearing this statistic can be terrifying. When you drop your child off at daycare, you expect them to be safe and cared for. But how often is too often for daycare injuries? Short answer, any injury that happens at daycare should be acknowledged and investigated. Injuries in daycare settings can range from minor bumps and bruises to more severe incidents like broken bones, burns, or even head injuries. The frequency, severity, and circumstances of these injuries can indicate whether a daycare meets the state's minimum safety standards. Minor injuries, like bumps and bruises, might be expected occasionally. However, serious injuries caused by never events are injuries that should never happen at daycare. These include catastrophic injuries that are entirely preventable when daycare staff are following the rules. Some examples of never events at daycare include physical abuse or any form of hitting or shaking by daycare staff, neglect, like leaving children unattended, sexual abuse, severe falls from playground equipment or other heights, choking or suffocation from unsafe environments, burns from bottle warmers or heating equipment, and allergic reactions. Identifying red flags can help you determine if a daycare is unsafe. Recurrent similar injuries, lack of supervision, severe injuries, and vague explanations from staff are all warning signs that should prompt immediate concern. A good daycare will have strict safety protocols in place, including proper staff training, adequate child-to-staff ratios, a child-proof environment with regular safety inspections, and clear policies for handling injuries and promptly informing parents. If you notice a pattern of frequent injuries, here are some steps you can take. Seek medical attention to see if your child's injuries are typical for their age and activity level. Communicate with the daycare about your concerns and ask for details on what went wrong. Document all incidents, including dates and explanations. If injuries continue, consider reporting your daycare and moving your child somewhere else. If you believe your child's injuries are due to negligence or inadequate care at daycare, you have legal options. Our team of daycare and childcare injury lawyers understands the nature of these cases and is here to provide the support and guidance you need. If you have more questions but aren't ready to talk to us just yet, we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.